Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm still over here at Daniel's shop. And once again, he has impressed. Look at this thing. Look at this car. I'm seriously, folks, look at this car. This thing is beautiful. And believe it or not, he's going to repaint this car. He just got this car about a week ago. It's a 1965 Impala SS. I know a lot of you guys like these Impalas. I'm one of them. How can you not like the tail end of this car? Especially you guys who like the big cars. You like the big cars, the big old American cars? I know I do, and a lot of you guys do. This one stands out. This is a beautiful car. But he's not satisfied with the paint. He's not sure what color he's going to paint it. He's kind of undecided on it, but it's not the original color. The original color was Evening Orchid. And this is it right here. And they only did this color, that's 1 year. Now you will see this color on some Pontiacs. Oh, while we're here, let's look at this. Whoops. It's Power Glide, automatic in the floor. Now this car is a work in process, as you can see. Still a very gorgeous automobile. I love that back seat. Look at how they did that. These cars from the 60s had so much style. I mean, all the brands did, and it's amazing how things were. Check that out. Look at the SS down there on the console. Isn't that touching? That is cool. Look at the bright work on the below the dash, guys. Look at that. Beautiful automobile. Beautiful. It is a drop top. Beautiful body on this car. See the Super Sport emblem went right there. It's a 327 4-barrel. And look at the front of this car. The front is almost as beautiful as the back. Really great styling on these cars. These cars have quite the legacy. There's the old 327 badge. That's where it went right here. Ease on to the other side over here. Again, I want to thank Daniel for his hospitality, letting us come look at his cars. He does some outstanding work. He's just getting started on this one. And I hope he lets us come back and look at it when he's done. Look at the convertibles had the chrome around the windshield. I always liked how they did that. That is really nice. I mean, this car is a little bit of rot right here, but this is a really solid automobile. How can you not like this? I'm speechless almost, guys. I love this car. David and John, 2 of my subscribers. I know you guys are drooling right now. I know it. I certainly understand. All right, folks, I'll show you what the chrome, see how it snaps, the roof, the top snaps down. I know you guys know this, but some of you younger kids don't know this. You'll see that on a lot of the older convertible cars. These little snaps with the top to snap down to, and the boot to snap down. It covers it, that's what I meant to say. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank Daniel for allowing us to do this. And we're going to mosey on and look at some other stuff.